Hello, friends, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the StrottSHOW. This is absolutely, unequivocally the internet's favorite show for learning about SEO, graphic design, website design, and these facts are completely unprovable. So please don't bother to look them up with statistics because that would absolutely submarine my case. This week, we're going to come to you with kind of a comparison of topics we've covered before. We're going to talk to you during episode 10 of the differences between technical and on-page SEO. Now, these are topics that we've talked about individually before, but they can often be mixed up for one another. So we thought we'd take some time to review one of our previous posts and go through what those important differences are for your education and understanding. As always, we hope you'll reach out to us to discuss what you might have learned here and see if we can help you if you ever consider outsourcing your inbound marketing, your SEO, social media services, things like that. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this post on the difference between technical SEO and on-page SEO. Not one of my better title works, I will have to say. Search engine optimization stands as a fundamental pillar for business striving to enhance their online presence through digital marketing. You have heard a version of this sentence before, I assure you, if you have read anything I've written in the past 6 months. Within, the intricate tapestry of SEO, two crucial components play distinct roles in optimizing a website for search engines: technical SEO and on-page SEO. I need a copy editor to just slap the pen out of my hands when I write things like intricate tapestry. Understanding the nuances between these two is essential for crafting a robust marketing strategy. Now, we're going to delve into the intricacies between these two. Technical SEO is the backbone of a website's search engine performance. It involves optimizing various technical aspects to ensure search engines can efficiently crawl, index, and rank your website. While this shares the differences of technical and on-page SEO in one spot we have already posted, so I'll have a link to that in the show notes, or a link to this blog post in the show notes, and then you can click through. We'll make both easy. Here are some, but not all, of the key elements of technical SEO. Website speed and performance. Technical SEO does focus on optimizing website speed and performance. Faster loading website enhances user experience and also aligns with search engine performance, which means Google's going to be happy. A sentence you have heard before. But what happens is if a desktop or a laptop website takes more than about 2.5 seconds to load, you lose 40 to 50% of the audience. And if a mobile site takes 3 to 3.5 seconds to load, same statistic, you lose 40 to 50% of the audience as well. That's a ranking factor. So if that is starting to happen, Google pushes you down in the rankings. All of that to say, it's incredibly important to make sure that your site loads quickly. Mobile responsiveness, this is literally in every SEO article that we write at this point. Site structure and navigation. A well-organized site structure and navigation system make it easier for search engines to understand the content hierarchy. Technical SEO involves optimizing URLs, creating XML sitemaps, and implementing breadcrumb navigation, making it easy to track from page to page. You want to make it easy for people to find the information they're looking for. The technical SEO aspect of it makes it easy for Google, which also means it's going to be easy for your clients. One of the competitive advantages that Strottner Designs has is that Patrick Strottner has a degree in electrical engineering as well as one in website and graphic design. So everything that we build is beautiful and highly functional. Indexing and crawling. Now, technical SEO ensures that search engine bots can easily crawl and index your site's pages. This involves proper implementation of robots.txt files, managing crawl budgets, and addressing crawl errors. And then schema markup. We've alluded to this on other posts as well. It's a little more technical. Makes sense in the technical SEO section, I suppose. But implementing schema helps search engines understand the context of your content. This leads to rich snippets and search results, providing more information to users, making it more likely that they will click through to your page and hopefully contact you. Now, on-page SEO is the optimizing of individual pages to rank higher in the search engine results. It involves tailoring content and source code to align both with user intent and the algorithms. Again, previous post with some more detail, but here are the key elements. Keyword optimization. So on-page emphasizes strategically placing relevant keywords and titles, headings throughout the content. There are multiple headings. There's H1, H2, H3, all the way down. And you want to make sure that you are using those in the proper way that Google understands that will also be efficient for your clients or prospective clients. Content quality and relevance. So high quality, relevant content is a cornerstone. When people come to your site, if they think they're coming for landscape architecture, but they're then confronted with dental supplies, clearly there has been a mistake. That content is not relevant. So this engages users and signals to the search engines that your content is valuable. That's important to Google too, because their money in large part is generated through AdWords, pay-per-click. But it's only useful if the search results that they generate for people are valid, relevant, useful. So if people come to feel that they can't rely on the search results that Google's generating for them, then AdWords revenue goes down, and that has a whole terrible business spiral. So when they're generating these results, they need us being the business or the person doing the marketing for the business, to provide relevant info that is answering the question that the person doing the search is asking, so that they, as the search engine, can provide the best answer to the person doing the search. Meta tags. Crafting compelling meta titles and descriptions is a crucial aspect. We actually tailor each meta tag to the specific page on the site. It's not just something where you hope that AI will take care of it for you. Header tags and structured content. So again, I alluded to these before. The proper use of header tags and structured content enhances the readability and helps search engines understand the hierarchy of information on the page. And then internal and external linking. This involves strategic linking within your website and possibly to other reputable sites, though external linking is more a function of off-page SEO. All right, so final thoughts. Technical and on-page SEO serve distinct purposes, though they are interconnected. So they're often going to be lumped in the same basket, but they are realistically, if it's a three-legged stool, it's a technical SEO stool, on-page SEO leg, and off-page. Technical SEO is the foundation for a search engine-friendly website, and on-page fine-tunes individual pages to align with user intent and the search engine algorithms. But if you make sure you're integrating both, then you have a more finely tuned digital marketing strategy, and you're creating a harmonious... Oh, gosh, I'm so sorry for some of this language. I'm going to read it verbatim. You create a harmonious synergy that propels your website toward higher rankings, increased visibility, and ultimately greater success in the competitive online landscape. I'm going to make a promise to everybody. Before I actually publish these blog posts from now on, I'm going to read them out loud so that I can hear what they sound like. Whew, that may have been okay as a written word, but once you say it out loud, it is quite something. The important question to ask yourself: can you do all of this on your own? Most small business owners can't. You are running a business. You are thinking about supplies you need. You're thinking about staffing issues. You are thinking about taxes you have to pay, or do you have enough in sales? And this is part of helping you get enough in sales, hopefully. Outsource your marketing, outsource your SEO, possibly your social media strategy. This is where we come in. And if not us, if we're not the group for you, find one that fits your needs. And in the meantime, contact us at support@Strottner.com. Audit your website on our homepage, Strottner.com. No fee for that, though you are going to have to put up with an email from me if you use that free tool. So in the meantime, we hope you've enjoyed this walk through the scintillating topic of technical versus on-page SEO. We'll see you next week with another fun topic. And in the meantime, be good. And if you can't be good, then definitely make sure that you be careful. See you next week.